Hi there, this is our Supermax turret mill. Really good quality Taiwanese mill. This one has been really looked after and well maintained, is in really good condition. It's got the variable speed head on it, the full 2 axes swivel knuckle head, and the ram that comes in and out. It's got a digital readout, an older Sony, but still works really well and the display's nice and bright. Power feed to the quill, and then power feed to the longitudinal axes. It's got the coolant system. It's come with the slotter on the back, which we'll list separately just in case someone just wants the mill. So you'll see from the photos how tidy it is and well looked after. It's got the manual lube pump there, the DRO up there. It's got fitted a new electronic control down there with a overload and contactor for the slotting head, which you can power that up from there, or it's also got a power up and an e-stop on the slotting head itself. Well, we'll start and just have a wee look at the table up and down. That's really nice to move. The cross is nice and smooth, a little bit of play but not much. The table itself back and forwards, nice to move, and yeah, very little play in that. Might as well just run you through the power feed. So there it is there running. I can speed that up or slow that down, that's heading that way, and then rapid it, and then coming back towards me. So that's working nicely. Off and on for your coolant pump here. You might be able to hear that pump running. The light's on all the time. The actual digital readout and the light is just powered up by a plug-in. He would have had a switch on the wall. He's bypassed that off-on switch up here. Like I say, that digital readout's working good. So I'll just run this head. So I've got it in the higher range there. I'll run you through the feeds first. So I'll engage that feed. Yeah, there we go. So that's that feed running there. I'll bring that quill down. And so that's just feeding down. The quill itself's nice to move up and down. You've got your different speeds for your feeds there, that's working nicely. And I'll disengage that. And the head itself's beautiful and quiet. So that's on about, that's in the higher range. And buzzing it up there, that's mid sort of speed. I'll take it up to the full 3.5. So that's its 3.5 there. Beautiful and quiet. And I'll slow that down. There. And I'll just stop that and I'll put it in the other range. So that's the other range there, the lower range, and I'll speed that up in that lower range. That's sort of mid, and that's the fastest speed in that lower range there. So that's pretty much the head itself. I'll run you through that slotter. I can pair it up from down here. So there it is running. I don't know if you can hear that, but ticks over nicely, and again that's in really good condition. I'm not sure of the make and model for it. It's got a genuine electric motor on it, which is English, so my assumption would be it's an English sliding head. It's got the adjustable stroke, and then I can control it from back here as well. And it's nice, he's fitted that late model electrical contactor and overload. So yeah, that's the sliding head itself, in really good condition and ticks over like the rest of the mill, just really nicely. So I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, really good quality Taiwanese mill. It's been really well looked after, it's in good condition and all set to go.